Hi everyone, good evening. This is Irfan, and in today's concept, I'm gonna explain how to install the Django framework, or we can say Django software in our systems, and how to create a basic project. So let us start. So in order to do that, first of all, we need to check whether the Python is installed in our systems or not. So in order to check that, simply open your CMD, that is a command prompt, and we need to check Python double hyphen version. So currently I'm using the 3.11.4. That is not the latest version, but that is a version that I have used. So this is how we can check whether the Python is installed or not. If it is not installed, go to python.org, install the latest version, and check whether it is installed or not. After Python is installed, so the thing you need to do is open your command prompt. So simply I need to open the command prompt, and we need to, so there are a couple of ways where we can install the Django. The first way is whether you're installing the Django globally or locally for a project specific. If you're installing globally, simply the command is pip install, and you have to say Django. Okay, so Django will be installed globally in your system. Suppose you're installing all Django only a specific project. After the project is completed, you're not longer you no longer need a Django. Then you can create a virtual environment. There you can use the Django. Okay. So currently I'm installing the Django globally. So just install Django. So for me it is saying requirement already satisfied. For you guys it will be downloaded and installed. After installing the Django, you have to check the version Django hyphen admin double hyphen and version. It is version. So currently it's 4.1.3. Okay. So after checking for Django admin version, so look for the project or look for the drive that you want to create a simple Django project. Okay. Here I'm creating a new folder called YT, and here I'm going to open my command prompt, that is open terminal. Yeah, so I have launched a terminal in the YT folder. Now I need to create a new project. So in order to create a project in Django, there is a command called start project. Okay, so the enter command would be Django hyphen admin start project, followed by the project name. So remember guys, whenever you're giving the project name, don't give any kind of spaces or any special characters. Okay, simply I'm saying demo. Okay, so the project is created. Okay, it is created. So let me enter into my project, the cd space demo, and hit dir to see the list of files that I have installed. So currently we have demo and manage.py file. So now after creating the project, we need to create an application. Okay, so in order to create application in Django, simply have to say start app and app name. My app name is my app. Okay, after creating the application, so again I'm saying dir. Okay, so after that, let's open the project entirely in the VS Code. So in order to open your project in VS Code, simply have to use code and top. Your project will be open in the VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Okay, currently we have a project, we have an application. So basically let's start the server. So in order to start the server, we have to say python manage.py run server. The server will be started. Okay, so Django server will work on, it is currently running on the local host, that is 127.0.1, that is the local host, and the port number is 8000. Okay, just click on that one. So your server is working without any issues. Okay, that is good and fine. Now I need to render simply hello developer instead of this boilerplate code. Okay, it is given by Django. So the Django is installed successfully, everything is in with Django. Now I will make some changes and simply render hello developer instead of this template. Okay, now let's go to the VS Code, and the first thing you need to do whenever you create a Django application, simply go to the settings, and in the install apps include your application name, that is my app. Okay, just save it. After that, go to the application, and in the views, simply write a view. Here I'm writing home, and this view is accepting the request, and it is returning a simple HTTP response. For that, Importing from Django.http, import HTTP response. Okay, and here we need to say return HTTP response. Okay, the response will be hello developers. That's good. Now, after creating the function, we have to map this function to a specific URL. So for that purpose, go to the project URLs. In here, just you can remove the comments and you can import the views over here from my app.views. I'm importing home function. So define a path. So the here in Django, the empty path suggests the home page, or you can say the landing page. So this is an empty path. In that empty path, I want to render the home function, and the function name is home. That's it. Go to project and reload. Saying hello developers. So that's how we can install the Django package in your systems, and that's how you can create a simple Django project, create application, and simply render hello developer. Okay, so if you like the content, hit like, and if you want more of this content, so comment the content that you want and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.